Pabro's King. She was married to Mr. Eliezer King, and she had 3 children with Elton John King, Teresa King, and Clyde Yvonne King. And she is a representative from
Mrs. Jenica Gina Masnover on behalf of Mr. Junior Carino. Of course, tomorrow Miss Mrs. Farewell to Mr. Jujun Bikuka.
and married to Mr. Jonathan Matate. And they have only one daughter. Only daughter. Once again, our candidate number
Jenica Tipangin. Her husband is Mr. Manuel Tipangin. Miss Mary Angelica Tipangin is from Puro Tres.
So let's be ready. So candidate number 10. This is Miss Marisol Cerezo. She was 28 years old. She was married to Mr. Maricar Cerezo and a representative of Puro Cuatro. Ladies and gentlemen, another starting blast, our candidate number 10, Mrs. Marisol. Let's welcome candidate
Number 11, we have Mrs. Sally B. Serna. Candidate number 4 is from Puro. Candidate number 11 is from Puro 4. Cuatro. Candidate number 11 is married to Mr. Cesar Gumana.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11. So ladies and gentlemen, let's now welcome our last candidate, number 12, Mrs. Dominic Filomena Bao. She's a proud representative of the Seagulls.
Let's welcome again.
Candidate number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And come closer to our board judges. Okay, I respected numbers. Ayan, halika na kasi for the casual interview. Ayan. Mamaya awarding. Nawala mo yung... Okay. So now we will now proceed habang
Candidate number 1 is from Puro, 1.
What's that sound? What's that thing that's got me like
Candidate number 2 is from Puro, 2.
girl, look at that body, I just gotta say
Mahilig mo yung pro.
you back,
Number six.
drop it down low and you big it up, girl, I'm ready.
Candidate number
Take it like mine. You got everybody in this club looking at
is a proud representative of Puro Dos. And our candidate number 4 is a proud representative of Puro Dos.
that's that sound.
Candidate number 3 is Mrs. Aida Narvala. And our candidate number 4 is Mrs. Jenica.
I just gotta say when you back.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the best.
Once again, we have candidate number 3 and candidate number 4. Next, we have candidate number 5 and candidate number 6. Candidate number 5 is Miss Aida. Miss Aida is from Puro, 2. Candidate number 6 is Mrs. Aurora Utang. And Mrs. Aurora Utang is from number 7 and 8. Candidate number 7 is Miss Arlene Gomez. Miss Arlene Gomez is from Puro, 3.
Hey girl, it's your song. Let's see that, but don't.
Of course, we have candidate number 8, Miss Angelica
It's your party, I'm
Ibangin.
Plato, and she is Mrs. Sally Stern. And our candidate number 10 is a proud candidate representative of Puro Plato, and she is Mrs. Maricel Cerezo. Ladies and gentlemen, once more, our candidate number 9, candidate number 7.
Girl, you move that thing from side to side. Fuck everybody in this club. That's that sound. That's that shit that's got you like wow. And wanna let me beat 12 rounds. Baby, look at that body, I just gotta say. When you back,
And of course, let's make the way to our last two candidates, number 11 and candidate number 12.
girl, I'm ready to blow.
Candidate number 11 is a representative of Puro Cuatro, and she is Mrs. Michelle Malate. And our candidate number 12 is a representative of Puro Cinco, and she is Mrs. Donna Pao. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 11 and number 12.
Know you more than jeans.
Alright, so that concludes our best in sportswear. Again, we
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, may we rate
4,
5 and 6,
7 and
9 and 10,
8, and of course 11 and 12.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and of course, number 12.